In this video, we will cover the FryMaster Intuition Fryer startup and walk you through the process so you are familiar with the task prior to performing the startup. Before powering anything up, there are a few important site conditions to verify. These checks help ensure the installation environment is safe and compatible with the equipment. Take a moment to assess the kitchen's air balance. You're looking for any signs of a severe positive or negative pressure condition. This can affect combustion performance on gas units and how the ventilation hood functions. Using your meter, verify that the incoming voltage matches the rating plate on the fryer. For electric fryers, record each leg, L1, L2, and L3, on the commission form. For gas fryers, record the voltage under VAT1, L1. If this is a universal hood installation, confirm there's at least 2 inches of clearance behind the fryer. For gas fryers, verify that the gas hose quick disconnect is fully connected to the gas line input. Make sure it's properly seated and locked. Check that the fryer is level and secured according to the installation and operation manual. An unlevel fryer can cause inaccurate oil level readings and create unsafe operating conditions. If it needs adjustment, take care of that now. Note whether this fryer is connected to a bulk fresh oil system, a waste disposal system, or both, and mark your answers on the form. If either system was configured, confirm that the fryer was power cycled after setup, and document that as well. Go to Home, then Settings, and enter the code 3000. Then Heating, and scroll down to Fry Configuration. You will then have the option to change the fresh oil and waste oil settings. Press the reset switch for 30 seconds after configuring bulk oil setup. Confirm the jib cradle is installed. Then place the jib, jug-in box, or a full oil container in the fryer for the ATO system, or fill it from the bulk oil system if that's what's in use. The fryer needs to have oil before we proceed. With the site checks complete, it's time to prepare the vats and bring the fryer up to operating temperature. Step 1. Thoroughly wipe out and dry all vats. Make sure there's no moisture or debris remaining before adding oil. Step 2. Fill all vats with oil to 1/2 inch below the cold oil line. Step 3. Turn the fryers on and allow them to heat up to set point. Step 4. Once at temperature, verify the reading using an external probe. The temperature should be within plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius of the set point. This section applies to gas fryers. If you're working on an electric unit, you'll focus on voltage and recovery time. We'll cover that shortly. For gas fryers, here's what to check. For an accurate gas pressure reading, turn on all fryers and any other gas equipment in the store at the same time. This simulates real operating load on the gas supply. Then navigate to Home, then Statistics, then Heating, and scroll down to Gas Pressure. For natural gas, you're looking for a reading between 6 and 14 inches water column. For LP gas, the range is 11 to 14 inches water column. Record the actual reading on your form. Check and record the burner manifold pressure for each vat. Enter your readings in the left and right columns of the table on the form. After about 1 minute of operation, take a look at the burners. You should see a bright orange flame. That's an indicator of proper combustion. Next, you'll check the flame sensor readings for each controller. Navigate to Home, then Statistics, then Heating, and scroll down to Flame Current, left microamps, and Flame Current, right microamps. Record both values for every vat. These readings confirm the flame sensors are detecting the burners correctly. Recovery time measures how quickly the fryer heats from 250 degrees to 300 degrees. It's an important indicator of overall heating performance, and it needs to be recorded for each vat. Navigate to Home, then Statistics, then Heating, then Last Recovery Time. Record the time for each vat. The acceptable limits are: electric fryers, 1 minute 40 seconds. Gas fryers, 2 minutes 25 seconds. With all vats at set temperature, let the fryer sit idle for a few minutes. During this time, the ATO, automatic top-off, system will top off each vat to the ATO sensor level. Keep in mind that only one vat tops off at a time. With the heating and oil checks complete, we'll move on to page 2 of the form. These steps verify that the controller software is up to date and that the fryer's network connection is functioning correctly. On each controller, navigate to Home, then Information, then Software. Record the version numbers for HCB, UIB, SCB, OQS, and VFD. All controllers in the battery should show matching versions. If any versions don't match, a software update will need to be completed before the commission can be finalized. On the left controller, navigate to Home, then Information, then Connectivity. Check whether the Wi-Fi or cellular status shows as online. If it is, record the IP address on your form. One thing to watch for: the IP address should not begin with 4 or 82. If it does, there's a network configuration issue that will need to be resolved. Go to Home, then Settings, and enter the code 3000, then General, then Time and Date. Confirm the time and date are accurate, and verify whether automatic time setting is turned on or off. The filtration system plays a major role in maintaining oil quality and extending the life of the fryer. Let's make sure everything is in place and working correctly. Start by confirming that all required filter components are present: filter pan, filter screen, filter pad, paper or envelope, hold-down ring, crumb tray, and O-rings. Then do a visual inspection of the oil drain and return system. Check that all connections are tight and there are no signs of existing leaks or damage. Evenly spread the filter powder inside the fully assembled filter pan. Slide the filter pan into position. It should move smoothly without any binding. Confirm the pickup tube is fully engaged in the pan suction filter tube. On the controller, the letter P should only appear when the pan is pulled out. If P is showing with the pan fully installed, the pan isn't seated correctly. Pull it out and reseat it until the indicator clears. Run a quick filter on all vats. While the cycle is running, Inspect every line, fitting, and connection for any signs of leaks, underneath the fryer, behind it, and at the filter pan. If you find a leak, repair it before signing off. A leaking filtration system needs to be addressed on this visit. If a basket lift is installed, run a Cook timer cycle and confirm that the basket lift completes the full raise and lower sequence. You can cancel the timer to return the lifts to the upright position. This concludes the commissioning portion of the Intuition Fryer. Please refer to the Intuition Installation and Operation Manual to familiarize yourself with the unit before demonstrating its operation.